Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to activate hands-free on your mobile device. Join me as I show you. Before you start, make sure your data is turned on. Then come to settings, scroll down to where we have Google. Scroll down to Google, click on Google. Then click on all services, wait for it to load. Scroll down to Search, Assistant and Voice. Search, Assistant and Voice. Click on it. Then scroll down to Google Assistant. Click on Google Assistant. Click on Google Assistant. Then click on Voice Match. Click on Voice Match. Then click OK. Then click on this button. Hey Google, that button, turn on that button, sorry. Hey Google button, turn it on. Hey Google. Okay, click OK. Turn on the button. The Hey Google, yes, turn it on. Then you're going to follow the screen instruction. It says, say Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Now say, hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? So just follow the screen instruction, repeat the instructions there. Say, okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. So it's trying to register your voice into the device. It's trying to copy your voice. That is what it's trying to do here. So just repeat the instructions on the screen. Then wait for it to load. Then click next. Come down and click on that next button. Then read the screen instruction. Read the instruction on the screen and click on I agree. Let's try what we've just done. Remember, you're going to say OK Google to activate the command. Google. So when you say OK Google, open you can WhatsApp. Now activate the command. OK Google, close WhatsApp. OK Google, open calculator. OK Google, open Facebook. This is how to activate the hands-free option on your mobile device. Subscribe to this channel to help us remain relevant on this space. Thank you.